Even with a diligent skincare routine, dry skin around the nose can occur, but it's usually manageable at home within a few days. To address this, gently wash the area without rubbing and moisturize frequently, at least 3 to 4 times daily, using a gentle cream or ointment, especially during colder months. Stay hydrated by drinking enough water and consider adjusting your diet to avoid dehydrating foods and beverages. If you've recently had a cold or allergies, this may have contributed to the dryness, which should improve once the runny nose subsides. However, if the condition persists or worsens after a week or two, consult a dermatologist to rule out any serious skin conditions like dermatitis or rosacea. Additionally, protect your nose from the sun in cold weather and use fragrance-free moisturizers to maintain skin health.